Hey friends, if disk cleanup is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the solutions. So first, search for disk cleanup and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Since it's an administrator application, it should work. But if this doesn't help, then straight away perform an SFC scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And if this doesn't help either, then it could be that a third party cleaner software like CCleaner is preventing the function of disk cleanup. So in this case, here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.